Hey girl, hey, we're back with another tutorial, a classic French tip, and I will list everything in the description box on what the things that I use and where I get them from. So right now I am making lines towards the middle top of the nail and creating a horizontal line to create a nice smile line for this French tip. And trust me, you may not get it perfect because I sure don't. I never get it perfect. I keep doing this technique, which gets me the most accurate that helps me out. And so it guides me towards doing this French tip. And then afterwards, I just clean it up with nail polish remover. And that helps a lot. So just watch. And now I just clean it up to your liking. I try to make it as clean and as perfect as possible, but obviously can't make it perfect. But definitely add some more, clean it up, redo it if I have to. But don't be afraid to make mistakes, child. You cannot get it perfect. It is okay. And now I'm using, I can't remember the name, but again, everything description box. So I'm just using the top coat. I use, oh my gosh, what is it called? I can't even remember, but again, it's in the description box. Anyways, so now I file the nail down and I use oh wow, I really should get the names of this stuff before doing this voiceover. Anywho, yeah, I file it out again. I file it in the beginning because it's not this short, and your girlie's in healthcare, so your girl has to wear short nails. So I am filing the nails down, and let me tell you, it makes a difference. The girlies can't tell. For all you know, this is an acrylic set. This is not press on. Once you see it on, girl, what press on? Okay. And so now I'm just prepping the nails to put in the box. And these are my nails, by the way. So this is all for pictures, looks. You know, we do it for the gram. We do it for the gram. But you see that thumb? I wish I could have had more patience to do that better. But again, we move. But this base coat, which again I'll put in the description box, is my favorite. I put it on my French tips every time, on my toes every time. I think it's called Blush Pink. I gel boot. See, that's how you know I know. You know I use it a lot if I remember the name. Yeah. Anywho. So just giving y'all how I package and order. You know, this is the steps. These are the steps that I use. You know, kind of brush up the debris from filing. And that's it. That's all.